Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. The ones full of plants buy a lot of indoor and outdoor plants from the nursery. These times the plants get so healthy and attractive. Sometimes we experience that plants' growth gets restricted and it may die in a few months or a year. The cause of death is there's a net in the pot. But while repotting, if we don't remove the net, then the plant's growth gets retarded. And sometimes the plant also dies. Most of you have seen, but look at the net in the nursery plant. Net pot is commonly used in hydroponic gardening. Net pots are used to anchor the plants in the system. Hydroponic net pots are used to promote drainage and air circulation. But in soil media, this net pot hampers the root growth. So, if you buy any plant from the nursery, always remember to cut the net pot, and it should be cut very gently. While removing the net pot, we sometimes damage the root, so we should be very careful while removing the net pot. Previously, my mom didn't knew about this net pot, and most of our hibiscus plant died. After removing the net pot, you have to repot the plant and you must keep it in a shade. While the nursery people are growing a plant from seeds or by cutting, they love to add the net pot. They do that to see if the plant has been grown by the roots, and then they do not remove the net pot and then plant it into a bigger pot. If you use this net pot, then your plant will grow easily for like a few months or even for a year. But when the roots will be stuck in this net pot and will be rebound, that time your plant may die. Now you can watch and see how my mom is repotting. My mom is using this soil 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost. My mom has already uploaded a video about how we can make kitchen waste compost, so you can go and watch that video. Actually, my mom's aim is to how to garden without zero waste and zero cost. And But everything we use must be organic. So, when my mom is buying any plant from the nursery, my mom checks if there is any net pot and then she reports it. If you love gardening like me, then you can check out our channel. We have uploaded many gardening videos like this. A few days ago, one of our viewers asked us to make a video about garden snails. But we have already uploaded 2 videos about how to remove garden snails by an organic and natural way. But we are only removing the tiny snails. So we don't have any big garden snails in our garden. But 3 years ago, we had big garden snails. And my mom used some special techniques to remove the garden snails. So we are going to upload a video about it very soon. I hope you enjoyed my videos, and now you can safely remove net pots when you buy any nursery plants. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.